दिस मॉड्यूल इज़ अबाउट की फाइंडिंग्स ऑफ पीसा। इसमें हम रिसर्च के हवाले से बात करेंगे। जो पीसा की फाइंडिंग्स थी, पहली ये कि फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस, ये देखा गया कि प्री प्राइमरी एजुकेशन इज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस इन देयर लेटर लाइफ्स। जो पीसा के टेस्ट हैं वो 15 इयर्स ओल्ड चिल्ड्रन के लिए होते हैं। तो ये देखा गया कि प्री प्राइमरी एजुकेशन हैज़ डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट ऑन स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस इन देयर लेटर लाइफ्स। Student socio-economic status was a considerable factor, allocation of resources, schools autonomy and teacher-student relationship. ये तमाम वो factors हैं which affect students' performance. इनको बारी-बारी डिटेल में देखते हैं। Influences on students' performance across OECD countries. Students who reported that they had attended a pre-primary school for more than 1 year score 53 points higher in mathematics. So it is a significant difference. The students who had attended pre-primary school for more than 1 year score 53 points higher in mathematics than students who had not attended pre-primary education. Across OECD countries, a more socio-economically advantaged student scores 39 points higher in mathematics, the equivalent of nearly 1 year of schooling. जो 39 points हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि तकरीबन 1 साल की स्कूलिंग का फ़र्क पड़ जाता है। कि जो परफॉर्मेंस 16 साल का बच्चा इकोनॉमिकली डिसएडवांटेज बैकग्राउंड से शो कर रहा है, वही परफॉर्मेंस इकोनॉमिक एडवांटेज बच्चा 15 साल की उम्र में वो शो कर रहा है। जो ऊपर हमने देखा था प्री प्राइमरी एजुकेशन का, उसमें भी 53 पॉइंट्स जो हैं दे आर इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ नियरली 1 ईयर ऑफ स्कूलिंग। देन अ लेस एडवांटेज स्टूडेंट, सो इट इज़ बिग डिफरेंस. The impact of socio-economic status on problem-solving performance is weaker than it is on performance in mathematics, reading and science. This is a very interesting finding कि जो students हैं उनका socio-economic background जो है that does not affect students problem solving skills. ये बहुत important finding है कि जो socio-economic status है it does affect performance on mathematics, reading and science but does not affect performance on problem solving skills. So this is one of the socio-economic factor which affects the performance. Schools with more autonomy over curricula and assessment tend to perform better than schools with less autonomy when they are part of school systems with more accountability arrangements and or greater teacher-principal collaboration in school management. So ये भी एक interesting finding है कि वो school which are more autonomous in making decisions, उनके जो students हैं वो ज़्यादा बेहतर perform करते हैं निस्बतन उन students के जिनके school में autonomy का level कम है. And number 5, quality of teachers directly affect students performance. अगर किसी system में ज़्यादा अच्छे teachers मौजूद हैं who are more passionate, who are more skillful and who are more qualified, उनके जो students हैं उनकी performance बेहतर थी. Policy implications क्या है? Pre-primary education may be made mandatory to improve students' performance in mathematics. The countries should minimize socio-economic differences through economic policies and education as socio-economic differences impact students' mathematics performance. ये policy level के ऊपर changes लाने की ज़रूरत है ताकि socio-economic differences को minimize किया जा सके so that students can perform better in mathematics and science. There should be more justified allocation of resources. ये भी देखा गया कि resources also impact students' performance. It is important to attract the most talented teachers into the most challenging classrooms and to ensure that children from all socio-economic backgrounds benefit from such a disciplinary climate. कि ऐसा ना हो कि जो students afford कर सकते हैं वो उनको तालीम ऐसी दी जाए जहाँ पर ज़्यादा qualified teachers मौजूद हैं, बल्कि हर जगह के ऊपर qualified teachers मौजूद होने चाहिए so that all children benefit from quality of the teaching. Countries that have improved their performance in PISA like Brazil, Colombia, Estonia, Israel, Japan and Poland have established policies to improve the quality of their teaching staff by either introducing teaching license, providing incentives for high achieving students to enter the profession, कि जो students बहुत अच्छा perform कर रहे हैं उनको incentives दिए गए कि वो medical के profession में, medicine profession में, engineering में, banking में जाने की बजाय वो teaching के अंदर आएं. Increasing salaries to make the profession more attractive and to retain more teachers. तो ये भी एक आम तौर पे पूरी दुनिया के अंदर phenomenon रहा है कि teachers की salaries कम थी. तो यहाँ पर जहाँ पे performance improve हुई वहाँ पे teachers की salaries जो थी उनको भी increase किया गया. By offering incentives for teachers to engage in in-service teacher training programs. If there is more training, there are more chances of bringing quality in teaching. So findings show that students' performance is affected by pre-primary education, students' socioeconomic status, allocation of resources, and quality of teachers. The findings have direct implication for policy.